happening, guys? We're back at it. We tried some area this morning, didn't go over very well, so we're back here at the normal spot and gonna try something different and use princess pole. See how it pans out. Man, I started off pretty strong, catching a keeper right off the bat. It was looking like it was going to be a pretty good day, and then it just turned into dinks for a little while. Really had to work for it. It was just dink after dink after dink, but them big fish I knew were still involved in that little school, so I just kept getting right after it. Tell you what, it's getting hot and heavy out here, man. It's middle of the afternoon and I'm catching some pretty good fish. Gotta love it. Biggest part of my success this year I've noticed big time is watching water temp. It didn't matter if I was fishing 1 foot of water, 4 foot of water. If I could find the warm water temp, I always found fish. Started getting the hang of this princess pole pretty well. Ended up switching to a silver tube and really zinging it out as far as I could and working it pretty well, and it was just fun for a little while there. It was nice to catch some good sized fish on that little princess pole. Kind of funny, but it caught fish. Not doing too shabby. Princess pole's been doing work, but I think it's time to retire it and go back to the old style. Was doing pretty well there for a while. Finally got to a point where I needed one more fish. It really made me work for it there for a little while, but I got it done. Took a little while, but finally hooked into a good one off that log jam there, and of course, you know, was really trying to get that limit, and I went in here to throw the net down and almost blew the whole thing. Almost lost that fish, but luckily I got it back in the boat there. Man, I was pretty excited there. Got that last fish, caught my first Pymatuning limit. Time to head back in now and see how my girlfriend and my buddies did. Well, we're all done. Had one hell of a day here. Kayla caught some fish, and us 3 guys limited out, so it was a hell of a day. Stay tuned for another adventures with Tater. Tater Poopy. Big fat poopies. Dude, look at the size of that. Dude, we caught some.